What's up, homies? I'm Keith, and you're watching Hand Forged. In this week's video, we take an empty can of spray paint and we repurpose it. We make it cool. I'm thinking some Japanese flowers with my eyeballs in them. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. First things first, we got to head over to the iPad and get the main design sketched out. We'll also cover all the colors we're going to use in the project. Now we have the main design laid out, it's time to lay down some colour. We're going to start with the background colour and work our way up to the foreground. Now the background is complete and dry, it's time to move on to transferring the actual design, and then we'll move on to painting the project. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Keith here. Thanks for stopping by. If you like that hand forged video, don't forget to like, comment, and sub. Hit that bell icon to be notified when a new video drops. We out of here. Peace.